joker, these things. So we have a pipeline, three things. One is the hyperrealistic joker. One is that uh, acrylic painting, okay, this, and one is this watercolor sketch. So we can make any three of them, and you save this drawing. What day? Maybe we will not continue same drawing every week. Maybe this week we are doing joker, next week we are doing acrylic still life, or next 2 week maybe we are doing watercolor sketch, something like that. So all drawing is maybe unfinished, so save the drawing every week so we can finish one drawing. If you want to make the very nice drawing, it takes time, okay. So we save the drawing. Supposed to the hyper realistic drawing you are all save it. So today maybe we are progressing little bit of this. So we are more less time giving for watercolor. So let's so we have a in pipeline. Okay, so now what I do after that, see here, from here 1 and 2, this is the two position I put. Okay, this is a called shoulder bone, and this is a hip bone, like this and this position. Okay, this position is very important. Fine. Understand, Mama? Yes. Now in this position, we are creating here. Okay, this is the here 1 leg, 2 leg. Understand, Talin beta?
Yes, sir.
3 leg and 4 leg. Make sure this line should be straight and this line should be straight, but it's little far from here because this is the back leg, this is the front leg. It should be little distance. Okay. Mama, done? Leg not done. Come on. I hope that all of you understand the balance, how the 4-leg animals draw the and with balance. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine. If any angle the animals, you how to draw. Now is this now start. The basic thing is done. Maybe this is the tail. This is the basic thing is done. We just add this one. Now I add the characterization. These are 4-leg animals basics. Okay. So we are going to the next characterizations. Okay. Fine. So now what I do, here I can create this line.
What?
Okay, eyes. Here I do this ear. Okay, this is the ear part over here. Here I do this horn.
Then I can't see the horn.
Okay. Horn. So usually we are doing slowly detailing. Here nose, here mouth. Okay, beta. Dhanvi, come on, mama. Mouth. Okay, this is the neck. You understood how it is coming slowly, nice, basic shape. Pop. Why is this beard? Why it is ugly? The sketching is ugly always, don't worry, but try to maintain what I want. Okay, what I show you. It is for the anatomy. It's not for good drawing. It is a Anvi. Focus the anatomy is correct or not, proportion is correct or not. No need this very nice. Ugly is fine for me. Don't worry. Because I am not erasing any line. I want more focus here. Only the perspective, proportion. This is a foreshortening. Okay, 3/4 view. So we are focused here. Just thing is that character anatomy, character perspective and proportion. So if you see as a look wise it's not coming good, but the perspective and proportion wise is coming perfect, and that is very important. If you draw is a very nice drawing but the perspective is wrong, okay, the proportion is wrong, so it's a very weird. It looks not at all good. Don't focus the good drawing. Then be understood, beta. Focus the this session proportion perspective. This is very important. This is view. What view it is? It is a 3/4 front view. How look?